Everyone loves to tell you how painful their first tattoo was, but most of the time, it's complete rubbish. The real truth is, around 98% of first timers are surprised by how much less it hurts than they thought. So, in this video today, I've pulled the most common questions from Reddit, and I'll show you exactly where it hurts and where it doesn't, and how to prepare for your first tattoo so it's as painless as it can be, and a genuinely great experience. So the first question is, and probably the most common on Reddit for obvious reasons, is, how much do tattoos hurt really? This is an absolute great post, and without knowing, in a roundabout way, this person's already answered their own question. So the worst part of the whole tattoo process is where you are now. It's when you're nervous as hell the night before your appointment, searching for answers. It's the anticipation of not knowing what's to come the next day. Now, I can totally appreciate that this doesn't answer your question, but the best I can give you is, it won't hurt nowhere near as much as you're expecting it to right now. Take my word for it. In my long 20-year career, I would say maybe 98% of my clients are pleasantly surprised by how it feels. I know you want me to give you a definitive answer, but it would be unethical and impossible for me to do so. Sure, it's easy for your friends to tell you it's the worst pain they've ever felt, but A, mates always want to wind each other up and make out it's way worse than it actually is. And B, every single person feels it differently. I'll talk about the worst and easiest places to be tattooed shortly. But I absolutely hate having my ribs done. That said, I've had more than one client fall asleep while I was tattooing theirs. If what I'm telling you isn't reassuring enough, just remember, whenever I tattoo someone for the first time, and I pull that first line, stop for a second and ask how it feels, nearly every single time, they tell me it's nowhere near as bad as they thought it would be. What does getting tattooed feel like? Looking for advice. Now, I've been getting tattooed for 25 years, and honestly, I get this question a lot, and quite honestly, it's a hard one to answer precisely. It's really tough to compare it to anything, but if I had to, the closest thing I'd compare it to is maybe a continuous pinch. Very far from unbearable. Someone made the comment that lines sting and shading's more of a burning sensation, which is true in a sense, that lining does feel different to shading because of the different needles that's used for each process. I will cover this in more depth when we talk about whether shading hurts more than lining. I just want to point out very briefly that the same person said, the better your artist, the less it will hurt. This is completely false. Some of the best artists I know who are at the top of their game are absolutely brutal. How much artists hurts depends on many different variables like how fast they work, type of machine, and style of work they're doing, to name a few, but honestly has nothing to do with their ability to tattoo. When someone asks me what a tattoo feels like, rather than trying to be specific about the pain, I tell them it's more of a constant irritation than anything else. And if that tattoo takes longer than 10 minutes, that irritation tends to come in waves. One moment it feels easy, then it eases off, then it becomes slightly more painful again. It's never one consistent sensation. So, pain's different for everyone, and I was wondering, if you've already been tattooed, what was the easiest and what was the worst spot? And if you haven't had one yet, tell me where you're planning your first tattoo, and let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. So for those of you who haven't been tattooed before, this is probably the question you're wondering the most. Where is the least painful area for your first tattoo? Pain is hugely subjective, which is why, unfortunately, pain charts only tell part of the story. Everyone experiences it differently, and tolerance can vary from day to day, depending on things like sleep, stress, diet, and other factors. With that in mind, here's my honest opinion of the easiest areas to be tattooed. The outer upper arm is probably the easiest spot. Just below that, the outer lower arm is very similar. In my experience, these two areas are almost identical in sensation. Moving down, the outer fine calves are a little more sensitive, but still relatively easy. The outer areas of the limbs have thicker skin and more muscle underneath, and fewer major nerve clusters near the surface, which makes the sensation duller and more consistent rather than sharp and intense. The shoulder blades are also very easy, but the rest of the back's a very different story, which I will cover next. If this is your first tattoo and you're worried about the pain, these areas are an absolute breeze, and because of that, might be a good place to start. So this segues nicely into the next question. Tattooed people of Reddit, what area hurts the most? Check out the 3 top upvoted answers to this question. One says, easily the worst, another says ribs hands down, and the third, which is interesting, says my ribs didn't hurt at all. That's exactly why I have a problem with these charts. Plus, as you can see here, we'll all say something different, but if I had to generalise, ribs are definitely up there, along with most of the front torso. The back is very sore, again excluding the shoulder blades. Inner biceps and inner thighs are also sensitive since they rarely see the sun and the skin is more tender. Fingers, neck, armpits, and palms are particularly painful, but if this is your first tattoo, tattoo, of course, you don't need to worry about those yet. Areas of the limbs that are really not great are the inner and outer parts of the knees and elbows. The creases here have a very high concentration of nerves. The skin is thinner, there's almost no padding, and the needle sits straight on the bone. The same goes for the feet, although in my experience, they're a little easier than the knees and elbows. So to quickly recap, before I talk about outline colour and shading pain, the least areas of the body to get tattooed is the upper arm, the outer lower arm, the outer thigh, the outer calf and the shoulder blades. The areas that hurt the most are ribs and anywhere else on the front torso, back, inner bicep, inner thighs, fingers, neck, armpits, palms, feet, front of knees, elbow and elbow ditch. Pain question: which sucks more, outline and shading / colour work? So this question comes up regularly, and once again, this person's pretty much answered their own question very well. I won't read out what he says, but it basically states he's made to test the shading and doesn't mind the lining, and he's the opposite, fine with shading but doesn't like the lining. I will say though, there's no hard fast rules here. It will completely depend on the style of tattoo you're getting. For example, a black and grey sleeve that has very fine outlines, if any at all, and shading, where in a lot of cases isn't heavily saturated with ink, is very different to say a Japanese sleeve that has heavy outline and lots of black in colour. Both the same areas of the body, but make no mistake, will feel very different. Some artists hurt more than others, and every style of tattoo can feel quite different. But what I will say is this: 90% of my clients tell me that the outlines hurt more than shading. And I would say that's an accurate assumption mostly. There are hundreds of needle configurations, which we don't need to go into. But take a look at a lining needle and a shading needle. For your clarification, as a general rule of thumb, shading and colour are done with the same type of needle. So, you can see that the liner is thinner and creates more of a sharper sensation, and the shader is flat, covers more surface area, and as a result is a duller pain for most people. Are some artists just more painful to be tattooed by? This is another very misunderstood topic, and the short answer is yes. But don't be mistaken, it has nothing to do with how good someone is at tattooing. In my personal experience, a lot of the best artists come with a trade-off. Speed and efficiency often mean more pain. And on the flip side of that, the less painful artists tend to work slower and are more attentive. Neither is right or wrong, people just work in different ways. There are also a lot of other factors at play here. The type of machine being used, coils, rotaries or a pen, the style and size of the tattoo. Some styles for sure hurt more than others, and a 20-minute tattoo feels very different from a full day session. Also how you feel on the day, which we'll talk about in a minute. And of course, the location on the body, which I covered earlier. So are some tattooists more painful than others? Absolutely, but that should never be the deciding factor when choosing who to get tattooed by. How to manage pain during a tattoo. Right, now we're getting to the meat of it. This is a great question, and maybe the most important one of the whole video, because what you do before your appointment, especially in the days leading up to it and the morning of, plays a huge role in how well you manage the pain. I appreciate that if this is your first tattoo, yours might not be this big, but the same rules apply to everyone. If you treat yourself well in the lead up, during, and the days after, it will have a huge impact on not only how well you handle the pain, but also how well your tattoo heals. So the very first rule of thumb is to have a nutritious meal a couple of hours before your appointment and to be well hydrated. I recommend around 2 litres of water the day before. It's totally your call, and I know a lot of people aren't going to like this, but I wouldn't advise drinking alcohol the evening before. It might calm your nerves, but it has a massive impact on how well you sit. It also thins the blood and affects how well you heal. They may seem like a good idea, full of sugar and caffeine, but it's almost nothing worse than chugging a can of Monster Energy before your appointment. This quick spike of adrenaline almost always leads to people sitting worse, and in some cases, even passing out. So, my final tip is a controversial one, and that is forget the numbing cream. Aside from the risk of a reaction, when that cream wears off, if it works at all, the pain often comes back with a vengeance and unfortunately feels 10 times worse. I know this might all sound obvious, but it does really make a big difference. And above absolutely everything else on the list, don't overthink it, because I can tell you one thing for sure, it will not hurt as much as you think it's going to. If you want a more comprehensive breakdown on managing pain during your first tattoo, check out the video to my right. I go through all the most common mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you over there.